Hello, my friends. Today we study or discuss about the plant growth and growth curve. So all of you know about that the plant growth which is start when the seed which become germinate, and when it become germinate, first of all radical which produced from the seed, and then after that the plumule radical which is converted into root, and the plumule which is converted into shoot. So the plant growth which is takes place with the help of an curve where it is divided into three different phases. So first of all we discuss about a definition of growth curve. And what is the meaning of growth curve? It is a graphic representation of total growth against time. This is called as the growth curve. I repeat again, it is a graphic representation of total growth against time. This is called as the growth curve. Growth curve are of three types. First one is known as the linear growth curve, second one is known as exponential growth curve, and third one is known as sigmoid growth curve. Linear growth curve is always straight. Exponential growth curve, which is a J shape. Why? Because here the growth is takes place more and more, and hence the exponential growth curve is a J shape. And last one is sigmoid, it's a S shaped curve. Arithmetic growth curve is always linear in any plane, while the geometric growth curve is exponential. Corresponding to three distinct phases of the growth rates are differ. So the growth curve, which is divided into three different phases. Number first one is known as the lag phase, second one is known as exponential phase, and third one is known as stationary phase. Before that we will study about constant linear growth, and this constant linear growth which look like in a PPT like that, where it is in a straight line. Second one is known as exponential growth curve, where which show the J shaped curve, and third one is known as the sigmoidal growth, it is a S shaped curve. So in a plant growth it is divided into three different phases. First one is the lag phase, second one is known as the log phase, third one is known as stationary phase. And in a lag phase growth rate is slow. In exponential or log phase growth rate is faster and reaches its maximum growth. Third one is stationary phase, where the growth rate is gradually slow down, and hence the total time required for all the phases to occur is called grand period of growth. So in a plants where the three different phases are takes place at the time of growth curve, where the total time required for the all three phases occurs is called as grand period of growth. So in a sigmoid growth curve, when a graph of a rate of growth against a time is plotted for three phases of growth, is called as sigmoid curve. Sigmoid curve is divided into three different phases: lag phase, where the growth rate is slow; exponential phase, where the growth rate is more; and the stationary phase, where the growth rate is stagnant or the gradually downward. After that we discuss about heterophyly, where in a juvenile stage a same plant leaf shape is different. In adult phase it is again different. Terrestrial habitat is again different, and in a water habitat is different, but all the four leaves are from a same plant, but due to the habitat change and due to the phases change, there are different in shape. दोस्तों हम लोगों ने जो ग्रोथ कर्व देखा है ये आपको समझ में आ चुका होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.